Hi guys, so I just show you how I do my hair oil. Now I just put my hair in a low bun, and I was using, like you will see, this Olaplex hair oil, and I want to leave it like this till tomorrow, because tomorrow it is my wash day and I want a full advantage of my hair oil. So tomorrow we'll wash my hair and I will show you the result. I'm more in hair oil recently because I was reading a lot of good reviews about hair oils, and I was seeing a lot of videos before and after the hair transformation using hair oils. So I was a little bit afraid just to use it again because of my ashy cold tone, but I do some hair oils, so I noticed that my hair, my color, it is okay, so I will continue doing hair oils just to improve my hair condition, and maybe I will succeed to grow my hair faster and stronger, and I will keep you updated with my hair journey. So finally I received my orders, so I want to open with you guys to see what I bought. So I received my orders with Monxuan shampoo. Guys, I'm so excited. I received a new order. I just ordered yesterday, I guess, and today I received my product. There are a new product for hair care, but I can buy it, hair care. And now I want to show you guys. So it's this very nice set with shampoo. Let me show you. Shampoo, conditioner, molecular repair, super strong, super shine, and leave-in natural elixir. So I want to show you guys quickly what I ordered. This is a new shampoo from Monxuan. It is for damaged hair with natural ingredients. It is suitable for all hair types, and I wanted to try it. It has a natural ingredient, protect the color, leaves hair soft, protect curls and wavy hair, and gives natural shine. Another product that I received was this hair mask, also from them, and I wanted to try it. They also have some nice packages, so I want to give it a try and to give you a nice feedback. So this is the mask. Look how luxurious is the mask. The shampoo looks like this. I want to open it, but I'm pleased when they pay attention on the external look of their product. It has a pump, and this is the shampoo and the leave-in spray. Also have this golden part, and it is like this. put the Christoph Robin purple mask, this mask on my hair, and I will let sit for 20 minutes because I want to be more on edgy tone, so I didn't mind if my hair tend more on this side. Before of this, I have been using this Christoph Robin Purifying shampoo because when I have been using Monxuan shampoo, this is very good on my mid-end, so I still use it. But before this, I shampoo my root twice with Christoph Robin, and then I apply 2 pumps of this on my mid-ends because I love how soft and how smooth it is my hair with this new shampoo. So it is made in Korea or Japan, something like this, but I love it so much. I have also the mask, but now that I put the purple mask, I didn't use their mask, but I will show you in a future video how my hair looks when I use their mask. After I will use their leave-in conditioner. I enjoy how soft their mist of leave-in pumps, so I will show you after I will wash my hair mask. So after I put some oil on my hair, I always wash my my brush very well because I don't want on clean hair just to apply oils again. So I just wash like you see with soap, and I will let air dry in a warm place. I also wash my brushes. Now that it is Saturday, I want to have nice brushes for the next week. So especially on Saturday or Sunday, I am used to wash my brushes to have clean, nice brushes. I apply this leave-in conditioner from Monxuan. I like it because it sprays tiny bit of product and it feels very hydrated my hair. After this, I will just let air dry. I will dry with my blow dryer because this type of product tend to activate more on heat. This is my hair after I blow dry it. I noticed some ashy and some reducing of the brassiness. I don't know very well. I need to look in an old picture from today before I wash my hair, just to see how it looks. I have this flyaways piece of hair, I guess because of the Monxuan shampoo, because I think it has protein, hydrolyzed protein, and I love how silky and smooth my hair became when I use it. But I noticed that I have some type of flyaways. I don't know if you think it is maybe from another reason. Please let me know in the comment section. But I notice, especially when I wash my hair with Monxuan, when I wash with another shampoo, Munir, I didn't notice something like this. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button just to see my new videos when I post it. I post every Monday and Friday. Till next time, bye bye guys.